Today we will solve the numericals of resistivity. So I have written the formula of resistivity here. Rho is equals to Ra by L. So R is the resistance, A is the area. We are taking pi r square because we are considering the conductor as circular. So pi r square, that is meter square, and length is L. So whenever we are going to increase the area or length, I have taken a clay model. This is a clay model having length L and area A of this cross section. Okay. So whenever I will reduce the length को जब हम reduce करेंगे तो means मैं इस length को, we are not cutting this length, we are just reducing the length, means we are making the length half like this. If we are making the length half, the area increases. See, if the length from here, it is the length L, and if I am making the length half, means I am folding this conductor like this. So if I am folding the conductor, here the area becomes double. So don't get confused why the area is getting double. From this clay model, we will understand why the area becomes double. Okay. Now if I will stretch this, if I am going to stretch this of length double, here if I am going to stretch, let us say this is area A. If I am going to stretch here, the area becomes half. Okay. On stretching, the area becomes half, and on doubling the area, the length becomes half. Okay. Which means the length and area are inversely proportional to each other. A 4 ohm wire is double on it. Calculate the new resistance of wire. So we are getting a 4 ohm wire. Let resistance is equals to 4 ohm. Okay. So resistance is 4 ohm given, and we are getting the formula R is equals to rho L by A. Resistivity is constant because we are having same material. Okay. So this wire is double on it, means if we are doubling it, we are doing like this. Okay. So if L is the length becomes L by 2, and area here becomes double. Okay. So A is equals to 2A. Now this is equation number 1. We will put these values in equation number 1. R is equals to rho into L by 2, L by 2, and area 2A. Okay. Now we will write 1/4 rho L by A. This is new resistance R1. This is old resistance. Okay. So 1 by 4 into rho L upon A is equals to R. R is equals to 4. Means we are getting here 4. So we are getting 1. Find the resistance of 1 kilometer long wire. We have to find R. Okay. So length is 0.1 kilometer. 0.1 kilometer means 0.1 into 1000 upon 10 means 100 meter. Okay. The radius of wire is 0.5 mm. R is 0.5 mm. So we will convert 0.5 mm into meter, that is 0.5 into 10 raised to power minus 3 meter. Resistivity of copper is, rho is given, rho is equals to 1.7 into 10 raised to power minus 8 ohm meter. Okay. So these are the values given. We will write rho R is equals to rho L by A. So rho is 1.7 into 10 raised to power minus 8. Length is 100 by R. R means A is equals to pi R square. Pi means 3.14 into square of R. That is 0.5 into 10 raised to power minus 3 whole Okay. So first of all, for calculating this, we have to adjust the powers. 1.7 into 3.14 into 0.5 into 0.5 into 10 raised to power minus 8 plus 2 minus 6 plus 6. Okay. So we are getting, here we will do the calculation. So students, here we are getting 2.1 ohm. Okay. This of wire of length 80 centimeter. L is equals to 80 centimeter. Means we have to convert 80 into meter. 0.8 meter. Okay. And we are getting area 0.025 centimeter square. Okay. So if we are taking the length in centimeter, this is also in centimeter, and is found to be 1.5 ohm. Resistance is 1.5 ohm, 1.50. Find the resistivity. So rho is equals to RA by L. So R is 1.5, area is 0.025 by L is 80 centimeter. Okay, so 15 into 25 by 80 into 10. Okay, so now we will calculate 400, 320. This means we are getting 3 upon 1600. So after calculating, we are getting answer in rho. Here we have written rho is equals to ohm meter or ohm centimeter also. Okay, so we can write here ohm centimeter. If the both values are given in centimeter, you can take centimeter. If both values are given in meter, you can take meter also. Numerical. Calculate the resistance of 1 kilometer long. So length is 1 kilometer, that is 1000 meter. Long copper wire of radius. So we are getting R here, 1 mm, that is 1 into 10 raised to power minus 3 meter. Resistivity of copper rho is 1.72 into 10 raised to power minus 8 ohm meter. Resistivity is in ohm meter. Okay. So what we have to calculate? Find the resistance R. So from small r we will find A pi into R square 10 raised to power minus 3 whole square. Okay. Now R is equals to rho L by A. So rho 1.72 into 10 raised to power minus 8 into length 1000 by A pi into 10 raised to power minus 6. So first of all we will adjust the powers of 10. 1.72 by 3.14 into 10 raised to power minus 8 plus 3 plus 6. Okay. So we are getting here this value. So we are left with 10. We can write 100 here. So we will write 5.4. But we have to find resistance, that is ohms. Okay. Fifth numerical. Two copper wires A and B. Copper wire A, copper wire B. Means wire is copper. So we are having same resistivity. Resistivity is same for single material. Okay. Length 30. L1 is equals to 30 meter and L2 is equals to 10 meter. Radius R1 is equals to 2 centimeter, 2 by 100, that is 0.02 meter, and here R2 is 1. R2 is 0.01 meter. Okay. Compare the resistance of two wires. We have to find R1 and R2. Okay. So compare means we have to divide. That is R1 divided by R2. R1 is equals to rho L1 upon A divided by rho L2 upon A. So we are having copper material, so rho with rho gets cancelled out, is equals to L1 upon A into A upon L2. Okay, so we can write R1 by R2 is equals to L1 upon pi R1 square into pi R2 square by L2. Pi gets cancelled out. Okay, so L1, what is L1? 30 upon R1. R1 is 0.02 square into R2 0.01 square by L2. Here L2 is 10. Okay, so we are getting squares here. 3 upon 0.02 into 0.02 into 0.01 into 0.01. Okay, so this is equal to 3 upon 2 into 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 into 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this gets cancelled out. So we are getting 3 by 2 R1 by R2. Okay. Next numerical. What should be the length of nichrome wire? L. Resistance 4.5. If the length of similar wire is 60 centimeter, 60 centimeter and resistance is 2.5 centimeter, sorry, ohm. Okay, so we are having length of, what should be the length of nichrome wire? हमने nichrome wire की L find करनी है. So students, here we are getting two equations, that is L1 and L2. So for this we are getting rho same. Rho is same for nichrome wire. Okay, so rho is equals to R1 A1 by L1. That is R1 is 4.5 into A1 is area and L1 we don't know. Similarly, this is for rho and again this is for rho. Same wire of nichrome. R1 is R2 L2. A2 and L2. That is R2 is 2.5 into A2 by L2 is 60. So both is having nichrome wire. So rho is equals to rho. That is these two equations are equal to each other because we are having nichrome one material. So 4.5 into A1 by L1 is equals to 2.5 into A2 by L2. So area gets cancelled out because we are having same area. So we have to find L1. So L1 is equals to, L1 is multiplying by 2.5. So we are getting 2.5 here, 60 into 4.5. Okay, so points with point gets cancelled out. 9 upon 5. 12. So L1 is equals to 8108 centimeter. Okay. Next numerical. A metal wire of resistivity 64 means rho is given 64 into 10 raised to power minus 6 ohm meter and length 198 centimeter means 198 by 100, that is 1.98 meter. Okay. Resistance 7 ohm. R is equals to 7 ohm. What we have to find? We have to find its radius. So first of all, we will write the formula. R is equals to rho L by A means pi R square. So we have to find R, small r. So R is equals to, R square is equals to, R square is equals to pi into capital R into rho L. So if we have to find R, we will write the under. Okay. So now we will put the values. R is equals to rho 60. So here we will cancel out 7 with 7 and we will write here 100. So 64 means 8 into under root of 198 into 10 raised to power minus 6 minus 2, okay, by 22. 8 into, so we are getting 9 here. So 8 into 3 by 10, 100. 8 3s are 24 by 100. That is 0.24 meter. That is the radius of this wire. Okay. Next numerical. The resistance wire made of German silver has resistance 4.25. R is 4.25 ohm. Okay. Calculate the resistance of another wire made of same material. Same material means rho is same. Material same, rho same. Such that length increases by 4 times. L is equals to 4L. And area decreased by 3 times. A is equals to A by 3. Okay. So for this wire, first wire, we are writing R is equals to rho L by A. That is 4.25 is equals to rho L by A. Okay. So this is equation number 1. Now we are putting these values in equation number 1 here. So R1, new resistance, rho into L, 4L, area A by 3, A by 3. That is 12 into rho L by A. Okay. So here rho L by A is equal to 4.25. We are putting this value here. So new resistance R1 is equal to 4.25. Sorry, 12 into 4.25 ohms. Okay. So this is 51 ohms resistance. And the wire has diameter. Now here we are getting diameter, that is 0.25 mm. So 0.25 into 10 raised to power minus 3 meter. So if we have to find the radius, we will 0.25 divided by 2 into 10 raised to power minus 3 meter. Okay. And electrical resistivity rho is equals to 0.8 into 10 raised to power minus 8 ohm meter. Okay. What will be the length of this wire to make resistance 5 ohm? We have to find the length and resistance is 5 ohm. Again we will find R is equals to rho L by A. So we have to find L, that is L is equals to RA by rho. So L is equals to R. R is 5 ohm into area is pi into R square. 0.25 by 2 into 10 raised to power minus 6 upon rho. Upon rho. 0.8 into 10 raised to power minus 8. Okay. So after calculation, we are getting the answer 30.6 meter length. Okay. Second part. What will be the resistance change if the diameter of wire is double? Now we are doubling the diameter. D is equals to 2B. So resistance R is equals to rho L by pi R square. We know that R is equals to D by 2. So here we are putting the formula rho L by pi into D square by 4. So we are getting this formula. In this formula we will double the diameter. Here we have to write capital D. Okay, so here this is first equation in which the resistance is 5 ohms. Now if we have to double the diameter, we have to write R1 new resistance rho L into 4 by pi into 2d square. Okay, so rho into L into 4 by pi d square, 2d means into 1 by 4. Okay, so we don't have to cut 4 by 4 because in the equation we are getting 4, so we have to put this value here. So R1 is equals to 1 upon 4 into 5, so we are getting 5 upon 4 new resistance.